Guys, welcome back to Prickle Coder. In the previous video, I was discussing about the data types of data types and how to calculate the size of the data types assigned. In this video, we will talk about variables and constants in general and in C or in any programming language, and what is the role of comments, what are the advantages provided by comments. So let us start the video. So what are variables actually? It is an alphabet or some string to which we assign some value and penetrate the output according to our requirement. It changes according to our requirement. It varies all over the code. If we have an example, say m equals to 1 and n equals to 1, here m and n are two variables to which we are assigning one constant value 1. So you can change it to x or y or z or something. It must be satisfying your requirement in order to produce a penetrable output. Let us speak about the condition. We have a condition that embedded spaces between the variables are not allowed in this C programming language or any programming language, because if we are gonna give space in between the variable, the compiler will consider it to be two sets and will not let the code to compile. As I said, a minute mistake will also not let the code to compile and prompt errors. In the above example, we have assigned one value to each of the variable, which is constantly fixed and is called a constant. Constant is a number or value which does not change if they are fixed once. Same case with constants also, where embedded spaces are not allowed, because if we have a number 12, if we split it and write it as 1 and a space 12, see, does it make any sense? No, right? So we need to just write 12, which is considered by the compiler. The simple example is x is equals to 1 and y equals to 1. Here x and y are variables and 1 is the constant fixed. Calculator will be discussed in the next video. So we will see what are comments and what is the role of it in C programming language as of now. Comments are some sentences which are written before a code is written in order to manipulate our code. Manipulation helps us or anyone to understand the code very easily. Consider if you forgot the line for which you coded. With the help of the comment, you will be able to recollect what you have coded, or why did you write that code at that point of time. Advantages are: enhances the readability of the code, saves our time, third party access is also easy, and we have types of comments which are of two. One of it is slash and asterisk, which will be marked at the beginning, and other is by using double slash character. Usage of slash and asterisk, this indicates the beginning of our code. This is also known as multi-line comment. To end our comment, we use the contrary, which is asterisk and then a slash. Example, if I have, this is my daily blogger, stay tuned for updates. Here I am enclosing it with a multi-line comment, which will let any person who don't know any basic of this C programming language, let him understand what did I code for that single line. Here my sentences are enclosed in the multi-line comment. This helps us any referring code or statements to understand easily without any complications. Usage of double slash character, this comment can be declared line wise while we code. If we are given a code to add two numbers, if we are gonna consider int to be equals to a and we have a number say 2, I'm gonna declare this 2 to be x. I have shown an example there. So they are known as single line comments. To declare some statement or assign value to a variable, we use this comment. Example, x is equals to 2 and ending the line, and then I'm assigning x to be 2. Instead x is equals to 2, Assigning x to b2 makes it very clear what that line is indicating. In other words, as I said that we use comments to manipulate our code or a given statement also, but over usage also degrades the code. So comments must be used very efficiently and smartly. Stay tuned for the calculator update in the next video. Thank you. For more updates on C or programming languages, do subscribe to our channel Prequel Coder. If you like my video, please click on the like button, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.